welcome back to Chasing Trophies. Hope everyone is doing well. We're just one sleep away from the IPL 2026. भाई बहुत मजा आने वाला है. And the previews are out. We have a lot of lives and videos that we are uploading, a lot of shorts as well. So please hit the like button, subscribe button. And today we'll be talking about IPL captains, the guys who lead the ship, the guys who guide their team, and whose performances do impact the club. And if they are in form, they can lead them to victory single-handedly. यहाँ पे भाई, for the first time, we're going to start off with all India captains in a long time. I know that Pat Cummins is the captain of Sunrisers, but he will not be available in the first half of the IPL. ईशान किशन कप्तानी करने वाले हैं एंड सारे इंडियन कैप्टन से चेन्नई में अगर आप देखें ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ है, केकेआर में अजिंक्य रहाणे है, मुंबई इंडियंस में हार्दिक पांड्या है, आरसीबी में रजत पाटीदार है, ठीक है, पंजाब किंग्स में श्रेयस अय्यर है, दिल्ली कैपिटल्स में है अक्षर पटेल, लखनऊ सुपर जायंट्स में है ऋषभ पंत, सनराइजर्स हैदराबाद में है ईशान किशन, और क्या राजस्थान रॉयल्स में है ब्रायन पराग, Gujarat Titans mein hai Shubman Gill. So these are the 10 captains. I'm looking forward to all of them, what they can bring. Obviously, there is a saying ki bhai, your captain is as good as his team, but sometimes, the captain does help. And look at Shreyas Iyer. I mean, going into this IPL, mere hisab se he is the best captain going into IPL 2026, right? Like from the current group, agar aap dekhiye, wo Delhi Capital ke sath final पहुंचा, वो KKR के साथ final पहुंच के जीता, और वो पंजाब के साथ भी final पहुंचा. Now you'll say, अरे choke कर दिए, वो कर दिया. यार, out of 3 finals, he's won 1 and lost 2. I think that's an amazing achievement. Final pahunchna is not an easy thing in IPL. Just look at Mumbai Indians. They're one of the most successful franchises, but they're not guaranteed every year final mein. Chennai Super Kings bhi dekh lo, un log bahut successful franchise hai, but they don't come every year in the final. The fact that Shreyas Iyer has done it with 3 different franchises, coaches alag hai, owners alag hai, team alag hai, bhai wahan ke rules alag hai, stadium alag hai, it shows that बहुत जबरदस्त कैप्टन है मेरे हिसाब से यार. Shreyas Iyer, I'll keep him at the top. I'll tell you another captain that I rate very highly, and people will say, man, just that's because he won a trophy, and that is precisely why. Rajat Patidar. मेरे हिसाब से यार ये बहुत ज्यादा तगड़ा कैप्टन है, जो रॉयल चैलेंजर्स बैंगलोर 18 साल से तरस रहे हैं भाई, कैसा लेके आना ट्रॉफी, कैसा करना है. विराट कोहली has captained them, Anil Kumble has captained them, Rahul Dravid has captained them. I think Faf du Plessis in between captained them as well. So there's been a lot of captains who have tried their bit in the IPL, but it was Rajat Patidar who did the impossible. He won them the trophy, he ended the trophy drought. So I keep him pretty high, man. Like, I know it's just been one season. This will be his test. But as of now, I think he's done a fantastic job. And the way he's used his bowlers, Aap dekho, like, Krunal Pandya, Suyash, he got the best out of them. Bhuvneshwar Kumar, is getting older now, is getting towards retirement age, but usse bahut behtareen performance nikala. आपके भाई Hazelwood भी जबरदस्त bowling करा उसके अंडर. तो I think he's really done well over there. And someone like a Virat Kohli who's very animated, who has his input, I think he's handled him well as well. Batting order भी सही था. I think he's done a fantastic job. Rishabh Pant is a guy that I think he can do better as a captain, and this is going to be his test. देखो, he's been the captain of Delhi Capitals, अब लखनऊ के साथ भी कप्तानी कर रहा है, वो last year भी करा. I think his own form was the issue last year, and that could probably reflected in his captaincy. He was already stressed out कि भाई खुद के performances नहीं आ रहे. आप अय्यर के performances देख लो, away from home बहुत बेहतरीन थे last year. Maybe at home he struggled a bit, but those performances do help you. But at the same time, Rishabh Pant has to, I think, find the best. He needs to find that last finishing touch as a captain. वो I think game को close लेके आता है. He competes. His bowling season is good, but then the death overs में कहीं ना कहीं वो एक आध गलती करता है and the game slips away. A case in point was the one game against RCB जहाँ पे जितेश आके मारते थे. वो गेम लखनऊ को जीतना था. पंत खुद सेंचुरी मारा उसमें, तो कॉन्फिडेंस भी था होगा उसको, लेकिन yeah, I know it was the last game for them or second last game of the season, but these certain things, I think वहाँ पे उसको काम करना पड़ेगा. I think he has a lot of potential. दिल्ली में भी and लखनऊ में भी I've seen a lot of players उसकी तारीफ करते हैं. He's has a bit of Rohit and Dhoni in him, in the sense that he's very open to youngsters. If you saw the video with Arjun Tendulkar, he told him, if there's anything, let me know. He's trying to have conversation with him. He's talking to him, picking his brain. He's a new player, trying to welcome him. So he's a great team man. I think people are comfortable playing under him, but just his decision making, if that improves, I think Pant can be a very good captain. But right now, it's not on the level of Iyer, I feel, but he can get there. Then who are we talking about? ऋतुराज का यार देखो, मैं बराबर हम देख नहीं सकते उसको, बिकॉज या तो उन्हें इंजर हो जाता, ना तो कुछ हो जाता, फिर धोनी टेक ओवर करता. तो लाइक मैं प्रॉपर उसको देखा नहीं. आई थिंक ये साल उसका टेस्ट होगा. देखो, सैमसन है, उसके पास धोनी भी है. ही हैज सम एक्सपीरियंस, अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस. धोनी इज तो लाइक the best captain IPL has seen, man. Like him and Rohit Sharma are top IPL captains. So I think he has that advantage. But I would like to see Gaikwad just take a bit more decisions, be involved. And if he has to take Dhoni's advice, no problem at all. Like, Patidar also used to take advice from Virat Kohli and stuff. Koi tension nahi hai, but I would like to see a full season with Ruturaj, and then I think I can judge him a bit better. Again, I won't keep him at that level right now, but let's see what happens. Ishan Kishan, he was fantastic, bro. Agar aap usko dekhe at the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy, he won with Jharkhand. Captain tha, leader tha. Final mein 100 bhi maar diya tha. Man of the match tha. Unhe zabardast khela. Again, I think Ishan Kishan बहुत fun आदमी है, he enjoys, and वो perfect team है उसके लिए, because it's a stress-free team. I'm sure they're stressed, but like the guys who are chilled out, Travis Head, Pat Cummins, आपके Class, and these guys are chilled out. They just want to play the cricket, enjoy. Obviously, they want to win. And he has that cricketing brain. I feel, he's behind the wicket also. He'll check out. I don't know if he's going to keep or not, but if he is behind the wicket, he'll check out all the field placements and everything. Acha rahega, I think. He will be tested. This will be a big test for him. I'm a bit uncertain how he's going to handle the pressure. Look, Syed Mushtaq Ali is one thing. Now, in front of thousands and thousands of people, आपको कप्तानी करने पड़ेगा. Now, noise will be loud. Pressure ज़्यादा होगा. आपके सामने विराट कोहली खेलने वाला है. पहला ही गेम. चिन्न स्वामी में आप उनके डन में जाके खेल रहे, तो उसकी कप्तानी टेस्ट होगी, पहले ही दिन से टेस्ट होगी. I'm excited. Again, I'll reserve my opinion on him, but I think I'm hoping that he has a good season as captain, because it's a young team as well. He has Abhishek under his wings too. It should be a lot of fun. But ईशान किशन का सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम ये रहेगा कि भाई मैं बॉलर्स को कैसा हैंडल करूं, बिकॉज बॉलर्स थोड़ा सा लैक ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस है यहाँ पे, एंड थोड़ा सा लैक ऑफ क्वालिटी एज कम्पेयर ऑन पेपर एज कम्पेयर टू अदर टीम्स. तो अगर ईशान किशन यहाँ से निकालता भाई, then he has a very bright future in captaincy. अगर ये टीम को आगे लेके जाता है वो, I know Pat Cummins will probably come second half, but if he keeps them in that top 4 bracket going into that second half of the tournament, then I think he's done a wonderful job, and वो आगे का भी कप्तानी कर सकता है, especially knowing that Pat Cummins is getting older, and he also has injury concerns. Then we look at the Rajasthan Royals. I'm not sure about this captaincy, but the owners are damn sure. They're very confident in him. Rayan Parag, bhai, un log pure yahi banda hai apna. This guy is going to win us the tournament. He's going to be our main guy. He's our poster boy. They're going with him. I personally might have gone Jaiswal or Jadeja, but who am I, man? I don't have much say in anything like that. But that's what I would personally do. Lekin again, it's a test for him. It's not, if he has the backing of the owners, that's a good thing. That should give him confidence. उसको भी थोड़ा सा confidence रहना चाहिए कि भाई मैं संभाल सकता हूँ, मेरे पे belief है. अगर वो बिना pressure के अच्छी कप्तानी करता है, then let's see. Right now, I'm not putting him that high. But he is definitely somebody people will have an eye on, and there is the backing of the owners, which is very important. Then we've got the Delhi Capitals, Akshar Patel. I think Akshar Patel had a poor season as captain last year because team अच्छी थी and बहुत अच्छी start दी है. But अगर आप जाके आगे जाके second half में वो bowling अपने आप को under bowl कर रहा था, बास bowlers को 4 on the trot करवा देता था, batting order ऊपर नीचे हो रहा था. तो I feel he himself didn't utilize himself as good, and the rest of his bowlers, he could have utilized it better, Akshar Patel. So I hope that he has a better tournament. Listen, you learn from your mistakes, and he made a lot of mistakes last year. Hopefully this year he's recovered from that and he improves. So that's what I would say about Akshar Patel. KKR, अजिंक्य रहाणे. यार अजिंक्य रहाणे का सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम ये कि शायद अगर वो कप्तान था वो टीम में नहीं होता, एंड वो सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. अगर आपको ये भरोसा नहीं है कि भाई मैं टीम में आ सकता हूँ, तो आप कप्तानी अगर करें, then maybe you're a burden. It could happen. It happened with गौतम गंभीर. अगर आपको याद है, दिल्ली के साथ ही हुआ था शायद. I think when he was in Delhi only, he withdrew as captain and he benched himself because it was an issue, and that could happen. The Rahane, they've named Rinku Singh as vice captain. If Rahane doesn't get the runs and they start losing games, you might see the switch. If Rahane gets runs and they start winning games, then the thing. But I feel it's the first part. I think you might see a switch in captaincy this season, KKR. I hope not. I rate Rahane as a captain. I think especially in red ball, he was outstanding for India itself as a whenever he had to replace Kohli in his absence, he was fantastic. But मुझे थोड़ा सा मुश्किल दिख रहा है यार रहाणे का इस बार. और कौन कप्तान है यार? मुंबई इंडियंस, हार्दिक पांड्या. यार हार्दिक पांड्या मेरे हिसाब से उस पे प्रेशर तो है. लाइक आई नो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि वो 2 वर्ल्ड कप जीत गया. 100%. He's an amazing all-rounder. He's one of the best assets India has ever produced in terms of batting, bowling, fielding. Bowling 140 clicks, वो 160 के ऊपर भी बैटिंग करता, strike rate. And he's already had success as a captain in the IPL. Let's not forget वो Gujarat Titans, which were less strong on matlab in terms of on paper they were weaker than Mumbai Indians now, right? मगर वहां जाके उन्हें जीत गया. और next सीजन में उन्हें फाइनल भी लेके गया टू शो इट वाज़न्ट अ फ्लूक, और वो भी जीत सकते थे। 10 ऑफ 2 था, जडेजा मार दिया नहीं तो गुजरात 2 टाइम विनर होता था। सो आई थिंक हार्दिक पांड्या का टेस्ट यहाँ पे है टू गेट हिज बॉयज टुगेदर एंड यूटिलाइज अ फरारी. This guy knows how to make a Maruti engine into like a superb kind of thing, but now he has a Ferrari and he needs to handle it properly. I think his utilization of Rohit Sharma needs to be better. उसको हम हमेशा इम्पैक्ट सब नहीं रख सकते. आप रोहित शर्मा को इन्वॉल्व करना पड़ेगा आपको गेम में. आपको सूर्या और बुमराह को भी अच्छा इन्वॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. बुमराह की यूटिलाइजेशन बेटर करना पड़ेगा एंड खुद को अच्छा यूटिलाइज करना पड़ेगा. एंड इफ यू कैन टेक दोस इनपुट्स, गेट एवरीबॉडी ऑन हिज साइड, हार्दिक पांड्या विल हैव अ ग्रेट सीजन बिकॉज यू नो दैट टीम कैन रन ऑन ऑटो पायलट. बट अगर कोई गड़बड़ है, एक आध प्रेशर सिचुएशन हो जाएगा ना, वो मैच हारते, देन भाई मुंबई ऐसी पब्लिक का अनफॉरगिविंग है, वो अपनी टीम को भी कूट देंगे, व्हिच वी सॉ इन 2024. तो मेरे हिसाब से यार हार्दिक पांड्या की कप्तानी, पहले 4 मैच अगर जीत गए, यू नो ऑल वेल एंड गुड. एक आज हारे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मगर अगर 2-3 हार गए पहले 4 मैच में, तो फिर प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. वहां पे भी स्विच हो सकता है, बट दिस इज नॉट एज लाइकली आई फील एज द केकेआर सिचुएशन. अगेन दीस आर जस्ट माय ओपिनियंस, आई डोंट हैव लाइक इनसाइड इन्फॉर्मेशन और एनीथिंग. लेकिन मिसाल के तौर पे अगर वो 4 मैच हार गए पहले, तो फिर वहां पे सूर्या बैठा हुआ है, बुमराह बैठा हुआ है, रोहित बैठा हुआ है, कप्तानी शिफ्ट हो सकती है. आई नो पीपल विल नॉट से दैट एंड से नहीं होगा, बट आई एम जस्ट सेइंग वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो. Right now, though, Hardik Pandya, I think he's a very good captain. He's done it, man, already with Gujarat. That doesn't mean he can't. He just needs to figure out ये टीम का क्या बेस्ट है. Maybe batting order को उसको भी देखना है. Maybe promote himself 4 पे, तिलक को थोड़ा नीचे करना, जैसे सूर्या कर रहा था. थोड़ी चीजें ऐसा ओपनिंग को देखना है. Maybe he doesn't go with De Kock. Maybe he goes with Rickelton and Rohit, like, you know, and start with that. There are calls he'll have to take. One thing is for sure, they've got Rutherford there, Allah Ghazan, for which, you know, if Hardik uses these guys properly, you know, and utilizes them in the good situations, I think Mumbai Indians will have a very good chance. So I'm not too worried about Hardik Pandya. I'm just saying if it goes south, then it could be a problem. Like, I think he'll do a good job. I think this time Mumbai will make it to the top 4, but I think they'll also make it in the top 2. Final खेलेंगे मेरे हिसाब से Mumbai Indians. Yeah, so we've covered Hardik Pandya, we've covered Ishan Kishan, Ruturaj. राजस्थान का भी हो गया, दिल्ली का भी हो गया, बैंगलोर का भी हो गया, लखनऊ का भी हो गया. Gujarat Titans. Good, I didn't close this channel because there's a lot of Shubman Gill fans in our subscribers and everything. So we'll talk about. अब देखो Shubman Gill भाई, he was named the Test captain, the one-day captain, then the T20 vice captain. This guy was becoming India's all-format captain, poster boy, कुछ भी जो भी आप बोलो भाई, ये बंदा was becoming the new guy of Indian cricket. He's still there, like he's still the guy who's going to be, I think, the poster of Indian cricket. मगर T20 में उनको झटका मिल गया भाई, वाइस कप्तानी से उतार दिया, उसको टीम में से ही निकाल दिया, वर्ल्ड कप नहीं खेला वो. Now it's about not a point to prove to anybody except for himself. He has to show, man, I'm still good enough in this, and आगे जाके मैं इंडिया को लीड कर सकता हूँ हर फॉर्मेट में, अगर मैं यहाँ पे अच्छा करा with bat and also as a leader. To be very, very honest with you, I think he did a decent job in the IPL. I know people will say, "अरे क्या है?" Like for India, I feel that like he shouldn't have been made vice captain. वो तो पूरा आप ऊपर नीचे कर दिए थे, वो कोई जरूरत ही नहीं था. उसको एशिया कप नहीं लेके जाना था, लेके गए, जो भी हुआ ठीक है, चलो डन. बट इन द आईपीएल, यू नो, जब आपका मेन प्लेयर चला जाता है, हार्दिक पांड्या जो बैटर, बॉलर, कैप्टन, हर चीज था, आपको टाइम लगेगा. एंड यू नो द फर्स्ट सीजन आफ्टर हार्दिक पांड्या दे स्ट्रगल्ड. The second season they made it to the playoff. Whatever way they made it, whether it's because of him and Sai Sudarshan, whether it is because of one player, 2 player, it doesn't matter. They made it. Now again, he does have a similar issue in the middle order, but if they can make runs and they do have a bowling attack, if he can use his bowling attack smartly, I think they have a good chance again. अगर वो फिर से playoff लेके आता, he will speak a surprise. अगर वो जिता दिया IPL, then he'll be back in contention for the T20 team as well. I know it's far-fetched and you'll say, but the winning team, why would you change it? But this is how Indian cricket works. There's a lot of competition as well. So he just has to believe in himself. I don't think he's a bad captain as per se. I think test matches mein he was good in that England tour. Unfortunately South Africa ke match mein, series mein wo injure ho gaya tha, so he didn't lead the last game in particular. Kolkata mein injure ho gaya tha wo. So देखना पड़ेगा कैसा होगा उसका की कप्तानी. I am looking forward to it. I think you know, he has some exciting players under his belt, and it'll be good to see Shubman Gill, you know, try to prove us wrong, and like, I mean, not us, but prove himself wrong. Like, I'm a good T20 player, man, and take it from there. So yeah, I'm excited for that. Is there any captain I'm missing? I don't think so. We've covered most of them, and yeah, it should be a lot of fun. I still feel agar mera last word agar aap lenge, Shreyas Iyer right now is the best IPL captain current from the current crop. Obviously, this season we'll see if he'll be able to repeat what he did. But regardless, what he's done in the last 5 6 years, I think has been exceptional. So watch out for him. And I'm excited to see Patidar again. Ishan Kishan will be very exciting new captain. Let's see what he does too. Looking forward. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe button, and stay tuned to Chasing Trophies for